Alright, let's try a completely different angle. Forget everything about grammar and linguistics. Let us talk about the feeling you get when an AI spits out something so good it feels like it read your mind. That moment of pure, yes, that's exactly it. You've had it once or twice, and you chase it every time you open ChatGPT. But most of the time, you're left tweaking and regenerating. It's frustrating. What if I told you, the secret to those mind-reading outputs isn't about writing better prompts, but about giving the AI a better enemy? That's right, not a task, but a villain to defeat. The most innovative prompters aren't directors, they're world builders. They frame a problem so compelling that the AI can't help but generate genius. Here's how it works. In one practical move, stop asking for a solution and start defining the obstacle. Let me show you. Instead of write a sales email for my software, which gives you generic fluff, you build a battleground. You say this: my ideal customer is a busy e-commerce manager named Sarah. She's skeptical of new tools because her last purchase wasted 6 months of her team's time. She needs to see immediate, tangible ROI in the first 14 days. Her boss is breathing down her neck about budget cuts. Write the email that gets Sarah to book a demo despite all this. Feel the shift. You're no longer talking to a text generator. You've given it a protagonist. A villain, wasted time, budget cuts, skepticism, and a ticking clock. The AI now has a story to resolve, and its intelligence laser focuses on overcoming those specific hurdles. The email it writes will address skepticism head-on, highlight immediate ROI, and speak directly to Sarah's pressure. It's not a template. It's a tailored strategic weapon. This is the problem-first prompting method. Your practical guide for the next week is this. For every single thing you ask, the AI first define the enemy. Who or what is your ideal result fighting against? Is it short attention spans? Information overload? Budget constraints? Apathy? Name the villain. Describe it in one sentence. Then, make that villain the central character of your prompt. Tell the AI, here is the obstacle. Devise a strategy to defeat it. You will immediately see a difference in depth, specificity, and persuasive power. The AI becomes a problem solver, not just a content filler. Try it on 3 things today: a social post, a project idea, a difficult message. Come back and tell me the villain you defined. Next time, we'll scale this from a single battle to an entire war campaign, building a sequence of prompts that tell a complete strategic story. But start here. Give the AI an enemy worth fighting, and watch it work for you like never before. This is Prompt Linguistics Lab. Go create some conflict.